Just when you think you know everything about CapCut, you come across a game changer that you've never seen before. Yes, we need to talk about CapCut's most underrated, powerful AI tools that you probably haven't used yet. If you have ever had to reshoot content because of the low quality or framing, there's an AI tool for that. If you've ever filmed an entire video and then noticed a pile of dirty laundry in the background, there's an AI tool for that. And if you've ever gotten caught up posting with copyrighted music or spent way too long scrolling for the perfect song, there's an AI tool for that too. Let me show you the editing must-haves that you've probably been sleeping on. Before we get into it, are you subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel? We post a ton of product updates and tutorials, and trust me on this, you don't want to miss out. All right, without further ado, let's go on the mobile app and I will show you everything you need to know. First and foremost, we have to talk about color grading and clarity because those are two of my biggest content creator struggles. After all, the key to engaging content is the quality. Let's go into auto enhance. All you have to do is select your footage from your camera roll, and this tool will automatically improve the clarity, color, and quality. Check out this before and after. My clip looks 10 times better than it started. You can also access auto enhance within your project. Simply head into the edit menu and then go to video quality. With this underrated tool, you can kiss low-res, fuzzy videos goodbye. Another game changer? AI expand. Raise your hand if you've ever shot your content and then realized there was no room for your text. Yeah, I think we've all been there. If you'd like to expand the background of a photo, you can do so by finding the AI expand tool in the AI tools section and uploading your photo. From there, you can move the photo around to finalize your composition, choose your aspect ratio, and generate a new image with more space. You can also use AI expand with video footage. I use it a lot when pulling clips from my podcast to share on TikTok. Because my podcast is filmed horizontally, I have to zoom in pretty far to get a 9:16 clip. Then I have no room for my hook text or captions, and it's a whole mess. You can find AI expand within the edit menu of your project. It's the same process as we just went through for your photo. Simply move your clip where you'd like it within the frame, adjust your aspect ratio, and you've got a new and improved video with plenty of room for text. Now this one is for my messy creators. This is for those of us who film an entire video and then notice during the edit that there's a dirty towel in the back. Within your project, head into AI remove and you can literally brush your dirty background away. This also works for scuffs on your walls, my coverless air conditioning vent, anything in the background that distracts from your content. Simply brush away what you'd like to get rid of and you're good to go. No reshoot required. The last thing I want to get into is one of my personal favorites because searching for the perfect song is the bane of my existence. Let's head into AI music here in my project. This will automatically generate a well-fitting song for your content. And the best part, it's always copyright free. Let's generate some background music for this video of myself preparing a morning coffee. In just the tap of a button, I've got a few options to choose from. If I don't like this first round, I can always regenerate or create more specific guidelines for the AI to follow. Within the modify menu, I can pick my genre, duration, and even write a prompt. This saves me so much time because trust me, I could spend hours in the audio library picking out a song. I can be a little particular. AI music takes the guesswork out of choosing a song, and I am very grateful. I hope that I showed you a new feature that you can use to take your content to the next level and save some major time. Every time I expand the background of my clip or raise my video's quality, I just wonder how more people don't know about these tools. Which one is the most useful for your content? Any AI features you'd like to see on the app in the future? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to download the CapCut mobile and desktop apps so you can utilize these tools and step up your content game. And with that, I will catch you in the next tutorial. Happy creating!